This one is off the upright. Are you kidding me?
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Gridiron Rips. We got a new kind of episode for you today. We have our first official mail day. We've got this box right here that was mailed out to us from Things and Stuff Collectibles on Instagram. I will put a link to their page down in the comments. We bought into a break with them a week or so ago. We bought two teams. We bought the 49ers, of course, and we bought the Titans for Halen. We paid about 79 Canadian, or we paid 79 Canadian for our two teams. That translates to about $58 USD, which is what we'll put up on the ticker and what we'll track against. We're going to see if we got value out of this break or not. So without further ado, let's see what we got. For those of you who already watched the break, you'll know. But for those who haven't, let's see. All right. We got a bunch of cards here. I did have them send the base as well. It was optional, but I elected to. I'm just going to grab a cover card here. Let's go with a Nick Bosa from the Select. Let me get this opened up here. Packaged really well. Nice and protected. Careful not to cut my finger. All right. Let's see what we got. All right. Well, first we got this team box. We'll open that up. And we'll see. So we got a Drake Jackson rated rookie on the red, press proof on the front. We got an Eli Harold out of 299 from the Rookies and Stars. That's sick. I don't know if I got enough stands out here for all of these. We got a Reggie Bush out of 25. That is sick. I don't know if you guys can see it in the top loader there, but out of 25, a Reggie Bush. We got a Mike Davis Panini Crusade rookie card. It's a cool looking card. We're going to have to bump some of these guys if we get some better ones. And, oh man, if you saw the video, you'll know, but now you really know. We hit a Joe Montana Mosaic Genesis. That's going to be a big one for the collection, especially for the PC. We're going to go ahead and get that in a one-touch as soon as this video is over. I don't know the values of the cards, but I have to assume so far we're doing pretty good, given that our total cost was 58 USD. Let's keep going. This Kaepernick was one of my favorites. I didn't start collecting cards until after the Kaepernick days, so I don't have a lot. So I'm excited to add him to the PC. Those years were so fun. The Harbaugh era was just a great time to be a Niners fan. What else we got? We got a Blake Bell, an Eric Armstead, a Dre Anderson, and a Mike Davis, all on the rookies from the Rookie and Stars. So that's pretty sweet. That was a great haul for the Niners. We got a bunch of base here that I'll just go through real quick, just to give you guys an idea of what we got out of the pull. George Kittle, Fred Warner, Eli Mitchell, Trey Lance, Jerick McKinnon, Richard Sherman, Jerick McKinnon, Trey Lance on the National Pride, Bosa, more Trey. We got a Reggie on the Rookies and Stars. We got an Anquan Bolden. We got two Anquan Boldens. We got a Caleb Fairley. Remember, I did say we had the Titans as well for Halen. Corey Davis, Mariota, Dory Jackson, Jared Cook. Got an Eddie George on the Mosaic. That's pretty cool. Taylor Lewin, Ryan Tannehill, Kevin Byard, Derrick Henry, Tannehill, Robert Woods. We got Jerry and we got George. It's a cool base. Thanks thanks to Things and Stuff for doing that. I know a lot of the breakers don't throw in the base, but we do keep our base hits. And then for the Titans hits, let's see what we got. We got a Darrell Green Beckham rookie card with the patch. So we got a rookie patch there. Oh, it's off camera. I don't know how to get them in there. There we go. Maybe if I move these cards around, we can pop them up. We got a Eddie George numbered to 999. It's a cool card. We got a Malik Willis on the rated rookie. A Hassan Haskins on the rated rookie. And we got a Malik Willis on the silver. So there you have it. We're up $1. If you ask me, we're up a lot more than that. I would have paid the asking price of the break just for this Genesis for my PC. So I am a happy camper. Again, hit up Things and Stuff Collectibles for your breaks. The link will be in the description for his IG. That Genesis has us itching. So before we take off, we are going to just grab a couple of these cards here. Put them over to the side. Get ourselves a Mosaic Blaster and see if we can't hit lightning twice. What do you say? Let's go for it. All right. That's what happens. You hit a good card, you get a good card, and you're itching to do it again. So with our GOAT Genesis out there, let's get into this one blaster and see if we can't pull something sick. Nice way to end the video. I haven't seen as many people ripping Mosaic since Prisms come out. I'm sure that'll change again. It is a great set. Let's see what we get. Kid Reporter on the back. We got Eli, Matthew Stafford, Dak on the National Pride, Christian Kirk. We got a Zamir Wright white rookie and a Robbie Anderson on the green. His name is Chosen now. All right, pack 1. Let's see what pack 2 has to offer. I haven't seen a Razzle Dazzle. That'd be fun. I know they're ultra rare. We've got now a couple Genesis, some autos, but no Razzle Dazzle. Let's see if we can't do that. Ty Law, Carson Wentz, Logan Thomas. We got Josh on the National Pride. James Robinson on the silver Mosaic. And a Thunder Lane Jonathan Taylor. Alright, we're not off to the hottest start, but that's okay. That's okay. It means the good cards are yet to come. Cam Hayward, Drew Brees, Super Bowl MVP, Jesse Bates, Zeke. We got a silver here. Ooh-wee! Patrick Mahomes on the silver. I've mentioned it in some other channels, but this is my favorite of the parallels. I think it's just super clean. Oh no. Is that on the card? It's got a nice Panini scratch on it, but it's still a sick card. Let's get it in a top loader here. Throw him up. Not with the GOAT, but he can go over there. And then we got a Travis Kelce on the Touchdown Masters. Elijah Moore, Drake London on the debut, Len Dawson, David Montgomery, Derek Young, and a Jameis Winston on the green. I'm getting some cards that I haven't hit before. It's cool. All right, 2 packs to go. Can we pull something? Green. Devontae. Jerry for the PC. We got a Sauce on the rookie. AJ Terrell. Alontae Taylor. And a Jonathan Allen on the green. Alright, last pack. This one feels thin. Probably not a good sign. But let's see. Allen Robinson. Damian Harris. Mac Jones on the Pride. LaVisca. Donovan Peoples-Jones. And Antonio Gibson on the Will to Win. Not the best, not the worst. We did get this silver Patty Mahomes, but again, this is our gem for tonight. Let us know what you think of the rip. Let us know what you think of the new video, the mail day, the price countdown. I think we might add that concept into more of our videos. Please do like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, peace.